In this video, you will learn how to fix Shopify error 13. Follow these simple steps. First, visit the Shopify status page to see if there's a widespread server issue. If Shopify has experienced a downtime, they may be already working on a fix. Sometimes the error is related to your browser cache. Try clearing your browser cache and cookies, then refresh the page. To clear your browser cache, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Click Clear Browsing Data and Cache and Cookies. If you recently installed any third-party apps on your Shopify store, one of them might be causing this issue. Try disabling these apps one by one to see if the error goes away. If the error happens making any changes to your theme, there might be a problem with that theme code. You can also revert to the default Shopify theme to see if that fixes the issue. If none of these steps work, try reaching out to Shopify support directly. Here they can check your store and confirm any potential issues on the server side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.